streets.
I was Vaughn from Velocity Racing. Located at 23 to 25 Victoria Avenue, otherwise known as South Camp Road, Michael Service Center. Well, that's a tricky question, that, you know. Been racing about 8 years now. Well, really and truly, the only rival we really have over the time are really my spoon. People really like to see enough time. Because I really 11 seconds we always a battle it out, you know. So I really spoon, otherwise when I really have no other rivals really. Well, first 10-second pass at Vernon Field with the Turbo Civic. I'll never forget that moment. Well, this is a stock lower half now. Before it was a fully stock motor. Do some minor upgrades to it now. And kind of up with the power. Nitrous. Planning to just compete in the 11-second class, but want a 10-second pass out of it as well. So that's it. Not much really. Nothing really, just the motor. As I tell you, I try to get it out of the way as early as possible. So I don't really have the last minute rush. So Dyna will come last night, would have a little issue with the alternator. So I had to sort out now and bring it down at the shop. But everything alright, finished tune and everything. Both cars, officially, the turbo one is 10.9 and with this is 11.9. But this was with issues. So hoping to lower it this year. Well, with this car, this won't be like mid-10s, and for the turbo car, we're hoping for a 9s, a single digit this year. Well, you'll be seeing this car, and who know the D series turbocharged, the single cam, Biggie B. It will be there as well. So those are the two cars that we are really sure about at this moment. You can see. First of all, big up Sharky's main sponsor, and WAP Performance and Rocket Go-Kart Experience, Sportmore. And other than that, you don't know, big up Kenty Racing, Jag Rivals, 876 Streets. I hate that. Everybody else big up themselves. No, sir.
Alright.
We kill enough. Them have to call me out now.
Well, make a run with Vaughn. He actually get away and feel that, you know, him run me at the full best. So we actually need him out this drag rival. So tell him to get himself together and we're ready. Qualify, testing, anything, we're there, we're ready. So I'm calling him out.
Well, a simple thing, man. Well, we don't really need to set up.
Yeah.
We're ready. Anytime I'm ready, we're ready. Well, it's a K24 with headworks, stock lower half, stock camshafts, and nitrous. Now I don't really mention the amount of nitrous, but a lot. big up Kenty Racing. And wait. March 31st, Drag Rivals. See you there.